Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about extra long half-inch flex head ratchet from Hazet. It is 500mm long. This is traditional old style ratchet. The handle is two component design, but it is a hard handle. Both black and blue part have same material. Nice Hazet logo on it. Matte chrome finish is really nice. Matte chrome finish is consistent throughout. Hazet logo and the part number is stamped and it is made in Germany. Ratchet head has shiny chrome finish unlike other metal part. This is typical Hazet style. Hazet sockets also comes in similar shiny and matte combination manner. Handle is not very thick considering the length of the ratchet. Selector switch is made of alloy metal and it is solid and firm. It has coarse teeth. The teeth counts are 30. Would be a problem in narrow spaces, but teeth mechanism is nice and smooth. It is a robust and heavy duty ratchet. The flex head is pretty floppy though. Let's try some socket. I got here Bahco socket on it. Socket seated nice and solid. I don't know why all flex head ratchets from Hazet are floppy. Surely you can tighten the screw on the flex mechanism, but it is really annoying especially when it comes brand new. Hazet should fix this problem before shipping it. Back to the socket. Socket is firmly seated with very little wobble. Flex head mechanism is so versatile for weird angles. Let's put other half-inch ratchet from other famous brands. I got here similar ratchet in standard length. Stahlwille, Bahco, Facom, KS Tool Extendable, Kamasa and Hazet Hyper Series Extendable non-flex ratchet. This is standard length similar ratchet. I just wanna point out, here you can see only Germany stamped, and in this ratchet it is stamped made in Germany. But both are made in Germany. Stahlwille handle is comfort grip and thicker than the Hazet. Stahlwille is 416mm long when comparing to Hazet's 500mm. Hazet shaft is bit thicker than the Stahlwille. Stahlwille is a locking flex head. Selector switch on Stahlwille is smoother and it has quick release function. Hazet has 30 teeth gear and Stahlwille is 80 teeth design. Stahlwille ratchet head is bit narrower than the Hazet one. This ratchet from Stahlwille is modern QR series design. I'm just comparing how these are different to each other. Here I got Hyper Series Extendable ratchet from Hazet. Hyper Series are modern design from Hazet. This ratchet can be extended up to 610mm. These Hyper Series ratchets are comfort grip when comparing to this one. I like the comfort grip style more. Listen to the Hyper Series ratchet. Very fine and smooth. It is 90 teeth design. Both ratchet head have almost same thickness. Let's compare Facom Extendable ratchet. You can see here Facom ratchet flex mechanism is not floppy. This is what Hazet ratchet should have come up with. Moving on. Both ratchet selector switches are smooth and robust. Both are totally different style of ratchets. Facom has quick release function and has 72 gear teeth mechanism. Hazet ratchet head is thicker than the Facom one. This is cheaper German brand KS Tools. It is also extendable and has finer teeth. It has locking function. Handle is comfort grip. I got here Bahco ratchet. This ratchet is more comparable It is shorter than the Hazet one a bit. Bahco ratchet is not floppy as much as Hazet one. As far as I remember correctly, both have similar kind of internals. Both have the same head thickness. Bahco handle is comfortable grip and it is little bigger with the hanger hole. Both ratchets are 30T design. Selector switch may look different, but both have same kind of material and the mechanism feels exact same. Both are recessed. Bahco has quick release function, and of course the shafts are different, round versus flat style. At the end, I bring attention to you guys about my beater ratchet from Kamasa. It has narrow head thickness, it is locking flex head and has quick release function. Handle is comfort grip style, it is thinner and longer than the Hazet. But I tell you guys, this skinny Kamasa ratchet is the beast. Look at the ratchet head, how small it is. Overall, Hazet ratchet seems strong and robust. The cons of this ratchet are, it is floppy as all other old style ratchet from Hazet. The other con is that it has less teeth gear. Hazet do not offer fine tooth ratchets in flex mechanism. Hope Hazet bring Hyper series in flex head mechanism. Alright, this is it with the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.